holistic treatments with our friends from Premier Healthcare. Joining me now is Dr. Sean Branham from Premier Healthcare. And you just saw some of those before and after photos. You're really changing people's lives.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure to be here.
Of course. Now, I just mentioned a long laundry list of symptoms. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing with your company.
So what we do is more functional medicine than anything. It's really digging deeper into the cause of the problem instead of just running a simple blood test and giving a pill. We dig down for the cause, and then we really customize treatment to each patient individually.
Why did you choose to go the functional medicine route versus the traditional route to treat these digestive issues?
Well, I saw a need in my practice 20-something years ago that wasn't being filled by traditional medicine, and I kind of dug my heels in and started looking a lot deeper and doing a lot more training to help people that weren't being helped, and we're literally frustrated with medical care.
When you started digging, what did you find as some of the problems for so many of these digestive issues?
Well, obviously the standard American diet is a huge problem, right? But there are a lot of other things too. There's blood sugar regulation problems. Even though people may be calorie excessive, they're still nutrient deficient, right? And then you can have infections and all sorts of other problems too.
Nice. And when somebody comes in and they say, hey, Dr. B, I need some help, what is that process like?
So what we initially do is we do an initial consultation where we sit the patient down and explain to them based on their history what's going on with them, and then how we approach it, what we do with testing and what we do with treatment. And then we qualify each patient, because this program's not for everyone. This is going to require some dietary changes, some lifestyle changes, and this is not for everyone. Everyone's not willing to make those changes.
Well, how do you know if somebody's willing and ready to get started with you?
So we're real specific. We ask lots of really hard questions in my office, and we turn away probably 70% of the patients who come to our office.
Wowza.
Because they're not willing to do what's necessary. We know what it takes to succeed in this program, and we can tell pretty quickly if someone's willing to do that.
Nice. Well, I think that says a lot about you and how you are really helping those who want to be helped. I mean, you can take a horse to water, but you can't make them drink.
That's exactly right.
I like that. When people are at home, they're watching, they're interested in working with you, where can they go to find more information?
So our website is drshawnbranham.com, or you can call our office, and first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation.
Nice.
That number is 314-647-1384.
Nice. Okay, St. Louis, that number right there is on your screen, 314-647-1384. It is Dr. Sean Branham with Premier Healthcare. He's located in Crestwood, Missouri. Again, first 20 callers receive a complimentary consultation. And then, Doc, before I let you go, you said you've been doing this for some time now. What's your favorite part about making sure that people heal their bodies from the inside out?
Seeing the results with the patients. You know, making money's fine, but the reward is seeing the change in the people. People who've had, 10 or 15 doctors who don't help them, and then everything turns around for them, that's the cool part.
That's a game changer, right?
That's the cool part.
Well, you're absolutely changing so many lives. And St. Louis, if you're willing, you're able, you're ready, not just physically, but mentally, Dr. Branham at Premier Healthcare will absolutely take care of you. Again, first 20 callers will receive a free consultation. You're looking at some before and after photos. You can see that bloating has gone down for that patient right there. And it was all by going through Dr. Branham's process at Premier Healthcare. And we'll make sure you have access to all of that information on our website at studiostl.tv.